late for the pool, I'm a Virgo, not a Taurus. Where we going? Nowhere. You see my pride in the way, and she be running her mouth, but I don't get in her race. Since she be raising her nose, I make her pick up her face. I tell her pick up her shit and roll. I pick and replace. Roll, I pick and replace. I need a new one. I need a new one to move on. What the fuck that shit that you on? You try and smoke this lettuce, better spend a couple croutons. That's true talk. And I ain't with that hoopla, and I ain't with them niggas who be lying, spreading rumors. Relationships is tragic, that's why I never have them. His voice is in my head. Fred Savage, maybe you're fair in love, and maybe I had enough. And Cupid gave me his car, but I ain't keeping in touch, and I ain't giving a fuck. You gon' call me when you drunk, my finger over ignore. You think I'm picking it up? What?